everyone, and welcome. I will be sharing my screen. Okay, hello everyone. Can you see my screen? If someone can please confirm. Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. This is your host, Rami Kamar, market analyst at Centurion Invest. I just logged into my Centurion Invest profile. So once you log in, you will have your account overview, which is right here. You can see whatever you have in fiat, crypto, fiat from USD to euro to pound, crypto from USDT, and any coin you might think of. And of course, our native token for the platform, which is CIX. So CIX is currently at 0.02. It is your chance to invest in CIX at a low price. Uh, it has a huge ecosystem behind it. It has a huge project. The path is bright for CIX. Don't forget to check it. So don't forget to check it and see what benefits you can have from CIX. And one of the benefits I will talk about is the CIX card, which is something very huge, guys. So the CIX card, as you can see here, you can order the virtual card right now or the physical card in a few weeks. So the virtual card, as you can see, you have the premium, elite, infinite, and the maximus. You have different packages. So in case you don't want to buy CIX, you can pay the monthly fee of $5 per month and use your basically virtual card wherever you want. You can buy anything you might think of. Shopify, Apple Pay, and everything, as I said, you might think of. And for the physical card, of course, later on you can pay with crypto wherever you go. Point of sale like stuff, and over 1 million merchants in over 200 countries. So, guys, this is something huge. And let's look at the things you can buy with your digital card. So these are the basically the gift cards you can buy with the digital card from Amazon, Apple Card, BN, Bigo, whatever you might think of. As I said, Minecraft, Roblox, Xbox. So of course, now I would like to show you one more thing regarding Centurion Invest, that you can join Centurion right now, deposit money and trade with your account, and you can get to watch the World Cup on BN for free. So in case you want any more details, let me know in the comments and we'll link you up with our sales agents and they will help you from there. So, guys, let's start talking about some fundamentals. I will directly go to the news that we have today and the news that happened yesterday. So let's start with the news that happened yesterday. Basically, we have two of the biggest exchanges, which is the Binance. I will leave it as BI, and we have FTX. So what happened, guys, is that that FTX have their coin, which is the FTT. So what Binance did is that they were able to discover that FTX holds a lot of FTT, which by that creates something called a loophole. So they believe that FTX is manipulating FTT. The volume in FTT is not natural. They are manipulating it. The major holders of FTT are FTX. So they own most of their coin. It is not that liquid as they were mentioning, and the FTT that is being held is not directly by FTX. It is held by a sister company of FTX, which is Alameda. So I guess I got it right, the pronunciation, Alameda. So what Binance did is that they discovered this loophole and they directly mentioned it. So Cezed, which is the CEO of Binance, uh, basically tweeted something. Let's see the tweet. So I'm going to this is at Binance Twitter. I will show you the tweet. Okay, so it's not here. I think it's November 9. I hope he didn't delete his tweet. Okay, yeah, so that's it. This is the tweet that Zed has tweeted. So they are liquidating their FTT post risk management, which they have learned from Luna. So he said that he is not against FTT, but FTX mainly, but he doesn't want to support like these plays in the industry. So as you can see here, the FTT, so around 23 million FTTs were transferred from unknown wallet to Binance, where they can sell their FTT basically and convert them back to BNB. BNB, which is the native token for Binance. So what happened, guys, is that FTX is now against Binance. FTX were selling their BNB and Binance were selling their FTT. However, FTX does not have sufficient liquidity as Binance, so they were not able to sustain. And we can see here that FTT, look at this drop, guys, went in a couple of days from 26 to $3, which is a 90%, approximately 90% drop from its all-time high, guys. It's something like very funny. From 84 till 3, 96% drawdown, guys. So whoever is an FTT, well, it's bad luck for you, and be careful in this market. Uh, the whales basically are being against each other, and the retailers, such like normal people, you and me, are the ones affected from this. So you have to be careful. You have to be knowledgeable of everything you do uh, in order not to get tracked in this system. So now let's go to some analysis. Before analysis, yeah, I want to tell you more about the news of today. So the news for today, we have the CPI. So in case we have a number above 7.9, this means that the inflation is not going down, it's going up. So inflation is not being controlled, and this will trigger the Fed to raise interest rates in a very high momentum, in a very aggressive rate. So it's very bad for the market. It's good for the USD, but it's bad for the market. So we will see the continuation of a bearish trend. However, if you see a number below 7.9, it's something good. It's not something we will see a direct impact like a huge bull run or something, because the overall sentiment is still bearish. The inflation numbers are still high, but it's good that it went down. But if it went up, that's the problem right there. It's because unemployment is going up. As you can see, last week unemployment has gone up, and the inflation is still up, so it's very bad, and it basically triggers a recession. Inflation is up, unemployment is up, the economy is not doing well. That's a recession, that's a huge bear market, and I hope it will not lead to a depression. So now it's time for some analysis. Okay. I sent some analysis on the group. Okay, let me remove all of this. Okay, so I sent some analysis on the group. Let's first start with Bitcoin because it's clearer. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, guys. Looking at the weekly chart, if you can look left, you can see that the major level of support, next support, is at the 12K level, 12.5K level. We are currently at the 16.5K level, and the weekly candle is very bearish. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see that today we have basically a bull day. You can see here that the numbers are in green. The coins are going up, but if you look at the bigger picture, it's just a small upside in this huge downside that was in the last 3 days. So it's not even a 50% correction. This is the 50% correction. So it's not even a 50% correction of the previous day. So what we are looking today is that we have this small range that Bitcoin is ranging from 16,800 to 15,500. So around a $1,300 range from the resistance to support. We can do something like this also. We will dig deeper into smaller time frames to look exactly. So let's do it. Let's look at a 30 minutes time frame and put this here. So we are looking at this range, guys. As you can see, it is rejecting from the 16,800 resistance level and held support here at 15,600, 15,500 level, which means that this is support, this is the resistance. Now, for Bitcoin, what we can see here is that it rejected from the 16,800 and it's going down currently. I think we will test the low again. We will test the 15,700 again today. So it will do something like this. And this is the level that needs to be retested. So this is basically the scenario that we have today, unless we break impulsively above this level. So in case we break above this level, we will have a small bullish day, a small corrective day until we go back down, given the circumstances in the market, given the overall sentiment. So the sentiment is not good. The overall market structure is bearish, so you have to be very careful in the longs. I prefer to take the shorts, even if today has been a bit bullish. So let's look at Ethereum. So I also sent the Ethereum analysis on the group. So here is Ethereum, guys, as well. So basically Ethereum, as you can see, Bitcoin did a new yearly low at the 15,600 level, 15,800 level. So however, Ethereum did not do the low because we have the structure. We have the 1080 level, 1080 level, guys. It's a very big level. It's a huge support level. So that's why we are seeing Ethereum basically is outperforming Bitcoin. It's up 8% today, while Bitcoin is up only 4% today. So even in the downtrend, the push, basically, Ethereum did not go as much as Bitcoin. So for the longs, I prefer to take Ethereum. For the shorts, I prefer to take Bitcoin. So longs for Ethereum, shorts for Bitcoin. And even if you can like just realize this, that uh, Bitcoin was breaking, correcting, and breaking right now, like 2 minutes ago when we saw Bitcoin, while Ethereum is not doing the break, it's just ranging at this level. So as I said, short Bitcoin, long Ethereum. That's it. We will talk about Solana once again. So Solana was the play of the week. Solana was a dead bear, basically. Look at this candle, guys. This is a weekly candle. This is the daily candle. It went down from 37 to 16 this is the spot. So it went from 37 to 11. In the futures market, it went to 9. So that's a 70% downside in just 4 days. This is huge, guys. The volatility has been crazy, and the reason for this is that FTX are selling their Solana in order to hold some liquidity in cash or in USD in order to sustain, which is something very, very crazy. Uh, for Solana, basically, we do not have any like charts or something because it's something fundamental that caused it, and it's not something tactical. So, of course, do not take a long on Solana unless it's very well managed. Risk management is perfect because the pair has been going down as like crazy. Big investors, big ways are dumping Solana in order just to sustain a bit. So you have to be careful, guys. If someone has any question, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer. So I will give 2 minutes for questions. Okay, as I said, guys, just don't forget one thing, that you always have to look at the project's use. So, what's the use of Solana? Solana, guys, it's a very good blockchain. It's being attacked right now, yeah, but overall, it's a good project. You have to be well knowledgeable in crypto markets in order to sustain in these markets. So be careful. Always DCA. So instead of buying, let's say you have $1,000. So I will draw here 1,000. So do not just go in and put all the 1,000 here, trying to get the dip, or trying to here to get the dip. No, so uh, spend $200 here, $200 at this level, $200 at this level, $200 at this level, and if it goes again once more down, $200 at this level. So that's like 1,000 or 1,200. So 400, 600, 200, 1,000. So if you remove these, and because this is the bottom right now, so do not try to predict the bottom. In case you thought this was the bottom, you would have been now in a huge drawdown of 50%. So always DCA, guys. If you use this method now, your basically your average entry would be around this level, and you would be break even with all these stuff that's happening in the market. So once the bull market hits again, you will have your average entry at let's say 15. So going up from 15, if it only goes up to 30, you will be doing a 100% return. This is something huge, guys. And yeah, that's it from my side, and I wish you the best of luck. Trade safe in the markets. If you have any questions, please let me know in the Telegram channel or in the AMS, and I will be more than happy to help. It was your market analyst Rami Kamar from Centurion Invest. We wish you the best of luck. Good luck, guys.